With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Distance between Kota and Jaipur is 240 kilometers. Two persons A and B both start simultaneously from Kota to Jaipur. A travels half distance with 40 km per hour and remaining half distance with 60 km per hour. B travels with 40 km per hour for half time of journey and half time with 60 km per hour. Find out average speed of A and B. So let's talk about A first. So this is the journey of A. Let's say this is Kota and this is Jaipur. Now A has traveled half distance with 40 km per hour. So the entire journey is 240 kilometers. That means midway point is 120 kilometers. So he is traveling this much distance with 40 km per hour and this much with 60 km per hour. Let's say the time in covering the first 120 kilometers is T1 and the second 120 kilometers is T2. So T1 will be equal to 120 upon 40, which is equal to 3 hours, and T2 will be equal to 120 upon 60 is equal to 2 hours. Now average speed will be equal to distance covered divided by the time taken. Distance covered is 240 kilometers because that's the length of the journey between Kota and Jaipur, and the time will be the sum of these two times, that is T1 plus T2. So 240 upon 5, that is equal to 240 by 5 is 48 kilometers per hour. So average speed of A is 48 kilometers per hour. Now let's talk about B. Now what B does is, B travels with 40 km per hour for half time of the journey and half time with 60 km per hour. So let's say once again this is Kota and this is Jaipur. And let's say that the total time taken is 2t. So that means for t time he travels with 40 km per hour, and for another t time he travels with 60 km per hour. So while traveling at the speed of 40 km per hour, the distance he will cover will be 40 km per hour into t. So let's say he reaches at this distance at this distance A, or at this point A, after traveling at the speed of 40 km per hour, and then he changes his speed to 60 km per hour. So the rest of the distance will be 60 into t. Now the total distance, we know the total distance is 240 kilometers. So this distance, let's say this was point K, this was point J. So the distance KA plus AJ should be equal to 240 kilometers, and KA is equal to 40t plus AJ is equal to 60t. That means 100 times of t is equal to 240, which means t is equal to 2.4 hours. Now if t is equal to 2.4 hours, that means the total time, capital T, for the journey is 2t, which is equal to 2 into 2.4 is equal to 4.8 hours. That means the average speed for B, average speed of B will be equal to the total distance 240 kilometers upon the total time 4.8 hours. This point goes up, that means 2400 by 48, that gives me 2 and 100, that is 50 kilometer per hour. So the average speed of A and B is, average speed of A is 48 kilometers per hour and average speed of B is 50 kilometers per hour. Now the second part of the question says, when and who will reach Jaipur first? So for A we had calculated the total time, that was 3 hours plus 2 hours, meaning 5 hours. And for B also we had calculated the total time, which is 4.8 hours. So since 4.8 hours is less than 5 hours, that means time taken by B is less than time taken by A. So B will arrive first. B will arrive first, and when will he arrive? He will arrive 4.8 hours after the journey begins.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.